I'm strong. I'm resilient. I'm confident. I'm loving. I'm gifted. I'm melanin. I'm fierce. I'm proud. And I'm black. Most of all, I'm a woman. I'm that woman. That woman is me. Hi everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how I will do my wash and go this winter. So this is a winter edition. So my hair is different from other people's hair. It doesn't define curls, but then I will show you how it looks after. So to start off, I won't show this part, but then I will get my hair wet with water. So here we go. As you can see now, my hair is all soaked up with water, and as I said in the description below, I will be featuring the Nature Box range. So to start off, I will grab my shampoo from Nature Box, which is the avocado line. I will just apply just a little bit on my hair. And then I will work it through my scalp while massaging and scrubbing my scalp to get all the dead all out. So just give it a good scrub, guys. Your scalp needs to be clean. Also, you can be finger detangling in the process. And also, if you can grab a wide tooth comb, also used to detangle. And yeah, just keep scrubbing the hair, the scalp until it's clean. Don't forget your hairline. So I really don't like shampooing my hair. I only do it once, but you can repeat twice or 3 times until you're satisfied. And then when you're done, just quickly rinse off your hair. As you can see, I rinsed off mine. And then after, I will grab my conditioner from Nature Box, also avocado line. Apply as much as you want until you feel like your hair is fully covered with conditioner. So just apply, make sure you cover your whole hair. Most importantly, just cover your tips or your ends. Then while doing this, now you can start your real detangling process. So grab your wide tooth comb, start with your tips or ends to detangle, and then work through your comb from your scalp to your tips. So that's how I detangle my hair. Also, I detangle my hair in sections, right? When you are done detangling your first section, also work it through with your fingers, and then after, section that part so you don't mix it up with the rest of the hair. So that's what I will do. I will just quickly do a twist on my hair. Then you repeat the same process for the rest of the hair in sections. You can either cover your hair with a shower cap or anything plastic, but then mine, I will leave it, and I will leave it up with the conditioner for 10 minutes. After, I will rinse it off, and now I'll little bit of twist I will put in my growth oils. So my hair tends to dry out in winter, so the oil will help it retain its moisture. I will apply it to my whole head. Apply as much as it requires for your hair to be all covered in oil. So after applying your oils, I will section my hair again to 4 parts and let the oil rest in my hair for probably 10 minutes or so. So right now I'm taking out my twists out, and yeah, that's how I look after. So now I'm just gonna shake my hair. Hopefully it's gonna define its curls, but that's just asking too much for my hair. It's not gonna define its curls, I know, but hopes, you need to hope sometimes. And I'm just gonna let it air dry for the rest of the day, and I'm gonna show you how it looks after like a couple of hours, probably like 3 hours. Yeah, I'll be back.
One eternity later.
So yeah guys, this is my wash and go look. This is after my wash and go. As I said, my hair is different from other people's hair. It doesn't define curls. It just looks like that. So it's all shampoo, conditioner, oils. And I forgot to take a video of this part where I put in my leave-in conditioner, and also I added the secret repair cream from Nature Box. So my leave-in conditioner is from Cantu. That's what I added just to seal in the moisture right after my oils while it was still wet and dripping. I added that, and then I let it dry just for I think an hour or so until the dripping was done. And then after, I added the secret repair cream from Nature Box. That's how it looks. And then I let it air dry for another 4 hours, I think. So this is the result of what came out. It's not yet fully dry, but this is how it is. This is how my hair looks. It's just the wash and go. So yeah guys, basically this is how I look right now. I'm ready to go. I don't know where, but thank you guys for watching my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also leave a comment, guys. So to know more of the Nature Box, look at my previous video where I explain the Nature Box, unboxing Nature Box, and that. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye guys.